Got him.
Nice one.
Oh my gosh. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Today we're doing some small creek trout fishing. I got my 6-foot ultralight rod, 4-pound test line, and we're gonna be throwing spinners. I'm here with Hardman's Fishing Adventures. Make sure you guys check his channel out. I'll leave all that down below. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Stay tuned.
There was one bigger than this that wailed on it. They're all over right in this little slack line.
Got him.
Nice one.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I told you, dude.
There's, oh, you just released yours?
No, I still have mine. You want me to get in this net?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a nice trout, man. Let's see recording this on.
Get him, get him, get him, get him. Yeah.
Dude.
That's a beast.
It's a beast of a trout, man. Doubled up on 2 big brookies.
Big old brookies. First one on the Joe's Fly spinner. Doubled up. I just broke off my gold blade Joe's Fly spinner, so I tied this one on. It's 1/8 ounce silver blade, and it's an olive woolly booger. Oh, there he is.
I got one too.
Dude, yours is nice. I don't think so. Is it a brookie?
Yeah.
Just doubled up.
Oh yeah.
Nice brookie. And my first wild brown of the day. Stalker.
He's a holdover though, I think. He's a decently pretty fish. I'm gonna let mine see it.
Let's get hairy.
Yeah, that waterfall is just up here.
Oh, nice one.
Heck yeah, dude. Oh, that's a really nice fish.
It's a, I think it's a stock brook. Oh my gosh. There's another one right here with it. No, it's a wild brown. Oh. Oh.
You get it?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. Did it come out?
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. And he's off.
Well done.
Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous wild brown. I thought I was going to lose that fish. I missed the net job like 3 times. Right here's what I got him on. Silver blade, olive woolly booger. I cast right up the side of this bank here, and he just shot out from under the bank. The bank's undercut. He just shot out and drilled it. It was like it was happening in slow motion. It was just awesome to watch. Let me cast over. Oh, got him.
Oh, don't get stuck on me. Here, let me. It's a native.
Just a little. Is it really?
Yeah, it's a native. No lie.
Yeah, it is. Just caught a pretty little native brook. Oh my, dude, that's massive.
Holy cow, dude.
I mean, it looked big from up there. It's, oh, yeah, it's nice.
It's a nice fish.
Yes! Dude, gorgeous.
Nice
oh my gosh.
Get it.
Oh, what the heck? Something really tiny. Native brook.
How cool is this tree?
Dude, you gotta see this thing. How does he even get hooked? Little native brook. Gonna let him go. There he goes. Well, I guess that's that. And here comes the rain. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had an awesome day. Caught some wild browns, caught some stocked brook, and caught some native brook.
Yep.
All on spinners. We were both throwing Joe's Fly spinners. Awesome spinner, I love them.
I had a 1/4 ounce on.
Yeah, you usually throwing a 1/4 ounce.
Yep. You had
I was throwing an 1/8 ounce.
There you go.
We tried silver and gold blade. It didn't seem to matter.
Nope.
They kind of hit both. And I was using a olive woolly booger, and his was a brown hackle.
Yep.
Yeah, brown hackle. And then the one before that, though, you was using was black.
Black. Yeah.
Yeah, so they weren't too picky. The brown trout, we did kind of have to throw it right on top of their head, it seemed like.
Yeah.
They were kind of tucked under like the banks and root balls and stuff like that, but absolutely beautiful fish. And it is storming pretty bad right now. But yeah, guys, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out Hardman's Fishing Adventures. I will make sure to put all of his information down in the description if you want to see some awesome wild brown trout fishing. He does trout, smallmouth, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you check him out. And all the gear that I used in this video will be down in the description. And if you want to check out Fishhawk merch, that will be down in the description as well. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fishhawk and Hardman's Fishing Adventures out.